Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese Food Recipes. Tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious sweet and sour chicken over here. Check that out. Freshly made. Let's just grab a bite before I show you guys the recipe. I'm using chicken thighs over here. Check that out. Wow, if you want to make some of this, watch this video till the end and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Let's taste this. Super good. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's prepare the chicken over here. I've got 6 chicken thighs that I'm using. I'm going to chop it up into cubed pieces, as you can see. You can see I also chopped up the center of the chicken thigh bone, and it'll be an extra piece. So first cut up your chicken pieces how you like it, the desired sizes that you like. And then now we're going to marinate the chicken. I'm using 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic over here, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of white pepper. And we're adding in that delicious chicken bouillon powder. I'm gonna give it a quick mix to get that flavor in the chicken pieces. Next, we're adding in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then you'll add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. And some good sesame oil. Okay, let's give that a quick mix, get that flavor inside the chicken thighs. Next, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to add in the secret weapon, the egg. The egg is our binder when we coat these chicken thighs in the flour. Mix it nicely and marinate it for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Okay, while that's marinating, let's prepare our vegetables for our stir fry. Over here I'm cutting up 1 onion. As you can see, I'll be cutting it into little square pieces. And then the presentation of this dish will be like restaurant style. Just like that, how I cut it. You can cut it how you like it, but I prefer the look to look like this. Okay, next I got 3 small green peppers over here. Also going to be cutting it into little pieces, square pieces, and then the dish will look so good. You can add pineapple if you like, but I didn't have. Okay, now let's coat our chicken. As you can see, the coating is very basic. It's just cornstarch and flour. I'm going to just mix those 2 ingredients up and we'll coat our chicken pieces. Okay, so coating is very easy. You're just going to dust them around. But the important tip here for the sweet and sour chicken is to squeeze your chicken pieces into a ball, because it's more crispier once it's deep fried. Just like that. Okay, next we're gonna prepare our sweet and sour sauce. As you can see, it's just water, vinegar, sugar, and tomato sauce. And if you want a little kick, then add in a little bit of your favorite chili sauce. Just gonna mix that up. And obviously you have to thicken up the sweet and sour sauce with some delicious, not delicious, plain cornstarch slurry. Okay, let's deep fry our chicken. As you can see, I first coated my chicken pieces first, and now I'm testing my oil. The oil, once you're deep frying this, it should be on high heat. We're doing this, we're gonna do a double fry, so fry this for 1 to 3 minutes and lift it out. The first fry, you'll still see some blood coming out of the chicken pieces, so you don't need to worry, because once you do the second fry, the chicken will be crispy and well cooked. So you're gonna lift that out. This was my first batch, by the way. Look at that. It's already so golden. Okay, that was just doing my second batch. Okay, while that was frying, I was heating up my sweet and sour sauce over there. Okay, the second batch is done. Just lift that out as well. And yeah, once my sweet and sour sauce was heated up, I add in my cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce, just like that. And now you're just gonna thicken up the sauce until your desired consistency, and then we're gonna pour it back into our bowl. Okay, when you're preparing the final steps, you're gonna do the double fry of the chicken, as you can see here, on high heat to make the chicken pieces crispy. And now in the wok, we're gonna stir fry our vegetables for a few minutes. Give that quick stir fry to get that flavor out of these two ingredients. Then we lift out the chicken pieces and then we'll add in the sweet and sour sauce. Look at how golden and crispy they look. Look at that. Okay, now just drizzle a little bit of your sweet and sour sauce first. You don't want to pour everything inside of the wok, so give it a quick stir fry and then we'll add in the rest of the sweet and sour sauce. You don't need to add in all your sweet and sour sauce, but if you want it saucy, you add it. If you want it more crispy and saucy, then you just add in 90% of the sauce. Look at how beautiful this dish looks, and it's so easy to make. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know how it went. Wow, look at that. Just looking at this is like almost restaurant style. Wow. Okay, guys, if you found this recipe helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any other recipes, you can let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to research and make the recipe for you. Thanks.